How to have the best short haircut. Now, short could be a variety of different lengths depending on what you're looking for. My hair is short, right? This could be short to some people, could be long to some people. This right here could be very, very long to some people, or it could be very short to some people. It all depends on your personal preference. If you have a hairstyle and you feel that this is way too long, then obviously you're going to want a shorter haircut, right? Which means it could be a 1 faded up to the top or something like that. But if you're looking to find the ideal haircut for your hair and you want it to be short, well, it really requires a lot of experimenting and finding what's right for you. Now, I see a lot of people with a short haircut like this. Technically, this is short, right? It's just a longer version of having it shaved or buzzed or faded. Technically, it's not even faded. You could take like a number 3 guard or a 4 guard and just go all the way up to here and then just blend the rest in by scissors. I personally don't mind and actually like a style like this because to me, it adds a bit more character, right? It doesn't look as short. It's something that's a bit softer, I think, and can be a bit more trendy and edgy. The minute you start going like a skin fade or a 1 fade, it changes the whole dynamic of the haircut. This could be a bit more sophisticated in my opinion. You could actually use some product to create texture into here, and you could also, accentuate more of the haircut by having a little more length on the sides. Now, again, it all depends on you. You may feel this is way too long. You may even feel this is way too short throughout the sides here. But how to find, a really, really good short haircut, how to have a perfect short haircut, all comes down to how fast your hair grows, what kind of maintenance program you want to put into your hair, what type of investment and commitment, because you may love this hairstyle, but every 2 or 3 weeks, you want to be getting it trimmed. It just depends on you. But once you find this, then it comes down to how to style it the right way, because I've seen people who have short hair, and all they do is just go like this. They just mat their hair down like this, and it literally destroys and flattens the style. When you have short hair, right, it could be a pixie cut, it could be something like this. The more flatter and forward, it looks like there's not a lot of hair. But the minute you kind of revive everything and lift, all of a sudden it looks now like you have a ton more hair on the top of your head. So in my opinion, when you're trying to have a shorter hairstyle, the more you try to mess it up and the more you try to add texture to it, the better. Never ever style short hair by matting and patting the hair down. You want to use your fingertips like a rake and lift from the scalp area, and that is going to get you more volume and a lot more texture, and it's going to help you find a more perfect short haircut.